Are you an exhausted parent? If so, you're probably wondering, is this it? Is this the only way that it can feel to be a parent? Do I have to be exhausted merely by the fact that I am a parent? Well, the answer to that is thankfully no. You can actually find new ways to get energy and have actually more time for yourself in the process so that you can be even more patient and more present for your child. Hi, I'm Dr. Sharon Grossman. I'm a psychologist and coach, and I specialize in helping parents avoid parental burnout. So one of the things that is a huge myth in parenting is that it has to be as challenging as you feel it is right now. And that is because you're doing the best you can with what you know, and people don't actually teach us how to be parents and how to take care of ourselves in the process. But what you're going to discover is that if you find different ways to spend time with yourself, to carve out that special time to take care of yourself, you'll have the energy to be more present with your child. So one of the things that I do is I actually have a morning routine where every morning I wake up an hour before my kids do, and I start to engage in different practices that take care of my mind and my body. Right? And so you can do the same thing, and it's not the only way, but that is a great way because it starts off your day before you have to do anything with your kids, that you're first investing time and energy in yourself. And what that does is it makes sure that you're just there's more of you there, right? When you're dealing with your kids. And then lastly, we're talking about how to start the day, but how do you end the day, right? And oftentimes we are staying up late and we're not getting enough sleep, and so we're really tired, and that starts to snowball because then we don't have the energy to take care of ourselves in the next day. So you want to make sure that you're getting to bed on time. You want to make sure that all throughout the day you're doing all the right kinds of things that ensure that you have good levels of energy. Now, if you want to learn more about how to really establish routines that are going to make a significant difference in your energy levels, then sign up for my 5-week parenting workshop. It's a webinar and it starts on October 8th. And you can sign up by going to bit.ly/webinar for parents. And I look forward to seeing you there.